Okay, here we are with Jason Wright, and Jason has designed this HVAC system which incorporates an energy recovery ventilation system, an ERV, and two small mini split ducted systems. And just to recap, the energy recovery ventilation system, which is right above Jason's head there in that black box, you can see two pipes going into it on this side and two pipes coming out on this side. One is an exhaust and one is an intake.
And then the intake is a preheat defroster. This defroster will energize an electric heating element anytime the incoming air is below 18 degrees, and that is to prevent the ERV core from freezing.
Okay, so just to recap the ERV, what does it do in 30 words or less?
Put me on the spot.
Yeah.
Basically, it's going to transfer heat and moisture energy between the incoming and outgoing air, coming and leaving the home.
Right. And again, here are the two pipes which extend out, and we see one turning here, and that's the exhaust pipe. And the incoming air is through this pipe, which has a much straighter run. Here's the back door here, so it's right above the back door. That's our ERV. And so we're going to move along here and take a look at this ducted mini split system here.
This pipe is the air that is leaving the house, the stale air. This pipe delivers fresh air into the house and is delivered into the mechanical room, where it will mix with the return air into the two mini splits. The other part of the ERV system is all the stale air piping up above. We've got two zone dampers. These are normally shut off unless you want to draw air from portions of the home on demand. So normally the ERV pulls all of its air from the bathrooms. In the event that you want to pull air from the common area, and another special part of this home is going to be a passive laundry closet, it has the option of pulling air from those.
Oh, let's go take a look at that real quick.
Anytime that either one of these are energized, the damper will open and allow air to be drawn from these locations, and will also boost the output from the ERV to about double what its normal capacity. Normal capacity is a little bit under 100 CFM, and its boosted state, it will be pulling around 200 CFM.
Okay, so here's the framing for the little passive dryer closet here, and right above it we can see a duct, and that's connected to the ERV, so that's return. And how does how does that work?
Well, you'll have a timer on the wall.
Okay, where is it?
Here.
Okay, so there's a switch.
You'll put your clothes in the closet.
Put the clothes in the closet.
Set the timer.
Set the timer.
The timer will then energize a damper that opens the duct run to the ERV.
Okay.
And then will also boost the output of the ERV. So now it will be drawing from this location as well as the bathrooms.
Oh, okay. So it kind of boosts the speed of the fan.
That's right.
For a given period of time.
That's right. Which you'll be able to choose from 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 60 minutes, or continuous.
Oh, so we don't need a clothes dryer. We can actually just take the clothes right out of the washing machine, the front loader, and put them in the dryer closet. Hit that switch, which opens up the damper on that intake and or exhaust or whatever, and draws air through the dryer closet and dries your clothes. So we've eliminated a dryer in theory anyway. But in any case, then we've got a mini split ducted system. Let's take a look at that.
All right. Well, we've yet to actually install the equipment, but we have one of the air handlers sitting here. Basically, this is the duct flange. This is what's going to connect to the duct. It will be supported by an all-thread hanging from the ceiling. And you'll see now, if we'll walk to the the actual duct. I have two systems. One that feeds the living room, dining room, kitchen, library area, which is this one. To give you an idea of where it connects to, the air handler will connect to this flexible duct connector to minimize any vibration noise coming from the system. And the other one, we have that feeds the master bedroom, master bath, the second bedroom, laundry closet, and hall bath.
Wow. Okay, so we have two separate systems, and one's going essentially to the common areas, and then one is going to the private areas, the bedrooms, or...
Basically, that's
okay.
right, yes. And, well, the private areas and the laundry area.
And how big are these two small heat pumps?
They're basically just 1-ton units.
Okay.
And we did this to divide up the amount of air we need to go to each location, even though the house really only requires 1 ton of cooling and about 1.5 ton of heating.
So 1 ton for cooling for the entire house and 1.5 tons for heating.
Yes.
Okay. So this all works together with the two mini splits and the ERV work together, so we don't have a traditional furnace, and we're recovering heat loss and through our ERV, and we'll see how it works.
The other neat thing about the mini splits is that they're inverter driven, so they're capable of matching their capacity with the load in the building. So they're not just on full blast every time they come on. They come on and they modulate how much capacity they have in order to meet the needs of the building.
Okay. So in other words, they will adjust to whatever the demand is.
That's right.
Okay.
Where your conventional system is on 100% anytime it's on and off 100% when it's off. So these systems should provide a much tighter temperature range than conventional equipment.
Okay. Let's see. Well, so we've covered the ERVs, and so we will have some units that will be sitting outside, some cooling units, condensers, and there's let's see if we can see the piping here. Okay, all the black mass of pipes that goes through here.
The refrigerant line set.
Refrigerant lines.
For both of the mini splits to the outdoor condensing units.
Okay. Well, great. Jason, brilliant.
Thank you, Dave.
We'll see what other little treasures we have in store and maybe make another video. Thanks for watching.